If we move to the right, also the time will remain consistent, so we can see all the associated data.
FBI Special Agent Kevin Hoyland testified about how Google location data from Stephen Reed's cell phone led police to the area where the Reed's bodies were located.
So at 2:50 and 23 seconds, T-Mobile is estimating Mr. Reed's device to be 3.01 miles from that tower shown there. As you can see, it's sorted. If we move to now to the left, you can see that that red arc almost intersects with the crime scene.
The jury also heard from Jill Theriault, a firearms expert for the state lab. Theriault testified to the prosecution's argument that bullets fired from Logan Clegg's gun, which was found in his backpack on the day of his arrest, shared class characteristics with bullet fragments found during autopsies of the Reeds.
In some cases, I could see that they were 9mm and the ones that weren't too damaged, and the bullets that weren't too damaged, and the Glock is 9mm. In some of the bullets that weren't damaged enough, I could see that it shared the same type of rifling, that polygonal rifling, and the same number of lands and grooves.
Theriault also admitted that she could not definitively say that the bullets recovered from the Reeds' bodies came from Clegg's gun.
My results of that comparison were inconclusive. So they had the same class characteristics, but just not enough of the individual. There was no individual characteristics for me to make any kind of concrete determination.
And so the defense's first witness is an employee of a DNA lab down in Florida. She told the jurors that she took 62 samples from 32 items that were sent there by Concord police. Her testimony ended today when court wrapped up, so we'll hear more from her when testimony continues tomorrow. Reporting live in Concord, I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.